Yes and yes. So the grid will line up as follows. Number 83, Dale Jet now will claim pole position. He qualified what was third this morning, so all of a sudden he now becomes the pole position alongside the and then on to row number 3, we find number 5.
Leaving together instead of away from each other.
And pickup truck here at Brands Hatch gets underway as they work their way towards Paddock Hill End for the first time of asking. And it will be Dale Jet who holds the lead of the race, trying to squeeze his way up towards Druid Corner, have now shuffled their way into some sort of formation and keep an eye towards the back, as we said. Matt Simpson's going to be quick as a sideways truck which just gets turned into a spin. That is Matt Moore by the looks of it in truck number 84, so he's got work to do now from the rear of the field. But yeah, look out for Matt Simpson and also for the number 8 truck who's decided to start to the back.
Favourites this year is Matt Simpson and the distinctive truck made up along as they go through drills. Another one of the drivers who does incredibly well in pickups, has been in pickups for many years but had problems this morning as well, and the problem for Mark Willis was
here comes Matt Simpson on the outside this time. What can he do as he gets a bit of pressure there from the number 5 machine of Dan Fisher? He should have that away. Later on the brakes, and at the same time, always a bit too deep to the there. Mark Willis, who is side by side as well down the hill in towards Bramhill Bend. Matt Simpson behind now does get past Dan Fisher, and also at the same time there, David O'Regan is trying to get that value qualified quickest this morning, since they're in second place.
It is a family weekend, and many youngsters one particularly colourful one is...
And now made its way through past Eric Bolton and David O'Regan on the lap. Seventh position, and just up the road from Denny Smith. The pair of the number 44 machine with
0.822. And yeah, a pretty good spot actually. Also Matt Simpson with the fastest stuff the race.
Is that still the same scenario? Yes it is. So 44 Ryan Hadfield back ahead of Michael Smith. It is and that has now come to a
setup of the car. Mark Willis with this far we've spoken about spring change for some years, so Hoosier tyres, and they work in a very different way to what they've done before.
Already off.
However, they have proved thus far to be very interesting.
Safety car with the food.
Interesting to see the one come back.
No, he's going to leave it until the very last minute, which he does now. He floors the throttle and away he goes from Chris Brockhurst, which might actually put him under pressure from the 21 machine of Dean Tompkins, who goes to the outside line. Chris Brockhurst kind of hovers middle towards the inside. Restart. They work their way now through the right-hander of Druids. Matt Simpson is trying to squeeze his way through 5th position, which is not quite going to work. Again, he's on the outside of Mark Willis down towards Graham Hill Bend. If he's brave, he can go right round the outside, which he is. Matt Simpson just about gets his nose in front of Mark Willis to the top 5 position, and he gets the truck ahead there. So
it's number 83, it's Dale Gent, with pole position this morning and leading the race this afternoon. And yeah, moved
run through Druid's corner on this occasion, keep an eye on the leaders as well, because Chris Brockhurst definitely has not let Dale Gent get away within this race. So we've got the top 2 close together. The battle for 4th is looking quite tasty as well, and also Michael Smith and David O'Regan looking to make some places up further down into effect. Chris Brockhurst picks up a lovely one down towards Paddock Hill Bend, but again not quite last of the late breakers on this occasion. And further back comes I think actually Paul Tompkins got a problem. He is now starting, he's dropping down the order, so he's pulled wide of Druid. So although Matt Simpson's got the job done, I think there is unfortunately a problem for the number 12 truck.
So Matt Simpson leads because he didn't take part in any of the qualifying. A challenge for the lead. Just had a look. Brockhurst had a look down the inside. Concertina together as they go through Druids, and they're very tight now for 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th as they go through Graham Hill Bend.
Certainly are. Matt Simpson will be rubbing his hands with glee here to see what's happening in front of him, since just off the podium for the time being. Team Tom's last lap of this pickup truck race. Great action as always. Still Dale Gent leads just about from Chris Brockhurst, but the fight for the final step on the podium is well and truly on.
The outside line through Druids, that gives the inside line for the left-hander at Graham Hill Bend, but you have to be alongside. There's a touch between the 2 of them, there's a touch from behind as well, and you couldn't ride the script for it. Thank you very much, says Matt Simpson.
From the back to the front on the last lap of the race, Matt Simpson.